Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing a question: whether a system with more unknowns than equations has at least one solution. Let's think of let's give an example of a system that we have done before with more variables or unknowns than equations. Here is an example of a system. And as you can see from this system, we can form it to this argumented matrix. And based on what we did earlier on, we managed to get in this echelon form. So from here, we can already see that the system is already in echelon form. And based on this last row, shows that the system has infinitely many solutions. And what about for systems instead of 0? What if we have a 2? And what if you get 0, 0, 0, 0, and 2? The system will have no solution because the system will be inconsistent. Hence, we cannot say that it's not right to say that the system with more unknowns than equations has at least one solution. This only applies if the system has consistent equations. And as you can see from here, 0 equals to 0 makes sense. But if let's say this goes to 2, this equation is not consistent and hence no solution. So therefore, this statement is false. If you have any queries, feel free to drop me a message or comment and I will reply to your comment. Thanks so much for watching.